Most people now value Crypterium at 10 cents. CRPT's intraday volume is still at $1,177,930, which is a lot of support for the bears. Crypterium's EMA 10 shows a particularly descending pattern, which makes it even more important. 0 to 2 July 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to look at the price of Crypterium right now or a week from now. We'll also try to answer some common questions about the price. Nation as a whole, let's talk about the real state of the economy right now, or so they thought. Market analysis over the last 24 hours shows a loss of 1.84, bringing the total digital money market to $1,195,618,721,722. The total trading volume remains at $2,476,597,794. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which certainly is genuinely huge, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level, after a decay of 0.19%, showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the CRPT specialized examination certainly let us especially discuss the kind of current economic situations in a by and large huge manner various elective digital currencies as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 0.51 coming to 1915.50 during the past 24 hours, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents following a value change of 0.97 within a similar time span, or so they basically thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.54 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents, exhibiting that Crypterium basically is as of now esteemed a 10 cents. CRPT's essentially intraday volume fundamentally remains at 1107,930. In this video, we'll walk you through how much Crypterium costs now or in a week. We'll also try to answer some of the most important questions about the cryptocurrency. Transient cost expectation for Crypterium is most likely a very smart guess, or at least that's what they thought as of now and in all real ways. All over the crypto market, there has been a general, disappointing drop. This shows that Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33% in a quiet way. Crypterium support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend can change in a big way. Support by and large is a level at which buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from falling any further. This shows how different digital currencies like Ethereum in every way that matters can be used to predict price movements. Crypterium's execution of the really Crypterium is worth about 10 cents, and there have been 1107,930 trades of it in the last 24 hours. Since yesterday, CRPT has been trading around $5.67 and has a market capitalization of $8,382,866. During the past 24 hours, the value of Ethereum has dropped by 0.51 to reach $1,915.50, which is a very big change. WKIIWI marked support levels, opposition levels, and different time period moving midpoints, such as commonly basic moving truly normal small and dramatic moving truly normal EMA, were used to analyze the future of cryptocurrency. This is what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $30,513.42 after a drop of 0.19, but before getting too deep into the CRPT technical analysis, let's talk in general about the current economic situation, which is very important. The immediate resistance for CRPT will be at 12 cents, and a break out of this level could lead to the next resistance at 13 cents, which is contrary to what most people think. On the other hand, if the bears take control and CRPT fails to break out of 12 cents, it could fall back to the immediate support at 0.0. Crypterium investors should wait for a change in direction on the daily chart. At the time this blog post was published, the price of VNB was 244.84 cents, which was a change of 0.97 cents in the same time period. The RSI for CRPT coin is currently at 32, which is close to the normal line for 14 days. This could mean that CRPT is going up. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of Bitcoin could encourage miners to hold on to more of it. In April, Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 because the so-called crypto winter was over. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that there was now 20% upside to that prediction. Kendrick wrote in a report that increased miner profitability per BTC, Bitcoin, mined means they can sell less while keeping their cash flows, reducing net BTC supply and pushing BTC prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%. But its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. In 2022, central banks raised interest rates and a number of crypto companies, like the FTX exchange, went bankrupt, wiping out trillions of dollars. But the fall of a number of major banks this year has helped the recovery. Standard Chartered said that its prediction of a price rise was based on the fact that the miners who create the 900 new bitcoins that are made every day around the world would soon have to sell fewer bitcoins to cover their costs, which are mostly made up of electricity to run supercomputers. Kendrick estimated that miners have recently been selling 100% of their new coins. But if the price goes up to $50,000, they might only sell 20 to 30%. It's the same as miners cutting the number of bitcoins they sell each day from 900 to just 180 to 270. Over a year, this would cut the number of bitcoins miners sales from 328,500 to between 65,700 and 98,550, which is a decrease of about 250,000 bitcoins a year. The number of bitcoins that can be mined each day will also be cut in half by April or May of next year. This is because Bitcoin has a built-in supply and issuance system that gradually limits supply to keep its value high.